Hello from the Gambia. My name is Sohna. I'm the headmistress of the school. Our school name is Kids Adawan Nursery School. And we get your message, and this is a message from us. We say thank you to you and we love you.
Hello, my name is Fatima. I go to Kids Adawan Nursery School in Ghana. I like writing and singing. I am kind and friendly. I am in nursery 3. Bye-bye. Hello, my name is Suleiman Bojang. I am in Kids Adawan Nursery School in Ghana town. I am in nursery 3. I like math and coloring. I am smiling and calm. Hello, my name is Bin. I am in Kids Adawan Nursery School in Ghana. I am in nursery 3. I like learning and drawing. I am great with friends. Bye. Bye-bye. Hello, my name is Molami. I am in nursery 3 in Kids Adawan Nursery School. I am in nursery. I live in Ghana. I like playing football and coloring. I am funny and smart. Bye. Hello, my name is Zainab. I am in nursery 3 and Kids Adawan Nursery School. I like learning and playing with friends. I am so kind and friendly. I am from Ghana town. Hello, my name is Adi. I live in Brufut, Ghana town. I am going to Kids Adawan Nursery School in Brufut, Ghana town. I am so kind. I like writing and coloring. I am so kind and funny. Bye. Hi, I am Aisha. I am in nursery 3. I am Kids Adawan Nursery School. I like drawing and singing. I am kind and honest. I am from Ghana town. Bye. Hello, my name is Yabal. I am in nursery 3. I am Kids Adawan Nursery School, Ghana town. I like playing and coloring. I am kind. Bye-bye. Hello, my name is Mami. I go to Kids Adawan Nursery School in Ghana town. I am in nursery 3. I like coloring and drawing. I am friendly and playful. Bye.